A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Exploring Titan with Dragonfly, a nuclear-powered leap into the cosmos. Ladies and gentlemen, the journey to Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is poised to become one of humanity's most groundbreaking ventures. SpaceX's upcoming launch of NASA's Dragonfly mission signifies a bold leap in space exploration, promising to deepen our understanding of Titan's mysteries and expand our knowledge of the solar system. To appreciate Titan's significance, it is essential to place it in the broader context of planet Saturn and its celestial domain. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, is famed for its iconic ring system stretching over 175,000 miles in diameter and composed of ice and rock. Orbiting this immense planet are its 146 confirmed moons, each unique in character. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a world of staggering intrigue. With a diameter of 5,150 kilometers, it surpasses planet Mercury in size and is second only to Jupiter's Ganymede in the solar system. Orbiting Saturn at a distance of 1.2 million kilometers, Titan's low gravity and thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere make it ideal for aerial exploration by a craft like Dragonfly. The Dragonfly mission, scheduled for launch in 2027 aboard SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, represents a $1 billion investment in advancing planetary science. After traveling nearly 900 million miles over 8 years, Dragonfly will arrive at Titan in 2034, initiating a mission to explore its surface and uncover its secrets. Dragonfly's design is groundbreaking. A nuclear-powered dual quadcopter, it is equipped with a radioisotope thermoelectric generator (RTG) to harness energy from the decay of radioactive materials, a proven technology used in missions such as Voyager, Curiosity and Perseverance. Unlike its solar-powered predecessor Ingenuity, which has achieved notable success on Mars, Dragonfly's RTG ensures reliable operation in Titan's dim, methane-rich environment. Its mobility will allow it to fly distances of up to 10 miles per hop, covering a cumulative range of over 100 miles during its operational life, far beyond the reach of traditional rovers. The question is, why Titan? This enigmatic moon bears striking resemblance to early Earth. With its lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane, a nitrogen-rich atmosphere, and a subsurface ocean of liquid water, Titan offers an extraordinary laboratory for studying prebiotic chemistry and the conditions necessary for life. NASA's Sesame-Huygens mission, which orbited Saturn from 1997 to 2017, revealed Titan's hydrocarbon lakes and possible cryovolcanic activity, sparking questions about its habitability. Dragonfly will delve deeper, carrying sophisticated instruments to analyze surface chemistry, atmospheric conditions, and potential biosignatures. The mission's trajectory includes an initial landing in Shangri-La, a region of organic dunes, followed by exploration of Self-Creator, a site with evidence of past liquid water. Dragonfly will provide insights into Titan's geology, atmospheric dynamics, and the complex organic molecules that may hold clues to the origin of life. Beyond Titan, Dragonfly's success will demonstrate the transformative potential of nuclear-powered aerial exploration, paving the way for future missions to distant icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. By unraveling the mysteries of Titan, humanity takes another step forward towards understanding the chemical pathways that lead to life and the factors that make planets and moons habitable. The challenges are formidable. Titan's dense atmosphere, freezing temperature of minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, which is minus 179 degrees Celsius, and communication delays exceeding an hour underscore the complexity of the mission. Yet, these obstacles highlight humanity's unwavering determination to explore the cosmos and answer the profound question, are we alone? The Dragonfly mission is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. By venturing to Titan, humanity not only deepens its understanding of the universe, but also lays the groundwork for future explorations of distant icy moons and beyond. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.